Here we are in Carver, the Promising Hope Animal Sanctuary, and it's hailing, but we're under a tent, and Anna is going to get her face painted. And unbelievably, the talented woman painting Anna's face is the sister of the woman who painted Jessie the horse's face. It's completely remarkable. Anna, are you going to behave as well as Jessie did?
Of course.
How does it feel, Anna?
It feels like I'm getting painted on.
You like it?
Yeah. Jessie was on YouTube now too.
Jessie gets on YouTube a lot, but Anna, I have to confess, you get on YouTube a lot yourself.
I do.
Yeah, you do. And what design did you ask for, Anna?
I'm gonna get a mask.
A mask.
I'm gonna be going to a masquerade ball.
Like Edgar Allan Poe's Mask of the Red Death, that kind of mask?
I hope not.
I hope not. Anna said she got a 96 on her math term.
Who did?
Me.
You did?
I got a 96 for the term.
Open your eyes if that's true. Yeah. Anna, open your left eye. That's your right eye.
It's very hard, you know.
She's gonna get a jewel. Ooh. Wow. You got a gem, Anna. You love it?
I love it.
You love it the most?
Of course.
It's the most beautiful thing you've ever seen?
Yeah.
You look like a superstar. You look good.